Because in Western medicine, as we get older and we start treating diseases, we're really not curing any of those chronic diseases. We can slow the progress down, we can treat a lot of symptoms, but we're really not curing those diseases. When I saw this and started to see repair of those cells, I started to be able to take people up. I saw my patients get healthier. And I can tell you why. Because all those 200 or so diseases are directly related to oxidative stress. Protandim lowers oxidative stress in everyone tested by an average of 40% within 30 days. If they stay on it longer, it lowers it up to 70%. It's a big, big difference. I can put one and one together and say, yeah, there are 200 diseases or more related to oxidative stress. So when I can lower it by 40%, it stands to reason we're going to see changes. And we have. So it's a big deal. Now, I always thought that ABC video was pretty validating. But now we have big drug companies coming out with their versions, chemically, of NRF2 activators. There's one that just got launched this month. It's made by Biogen Pharmaceuticals. They've been working on this for a while. They've spent over $1 billion developing this drug. It's for MS. They just had a worldwide webinar, 33,000 neurologists. Listen to that. They've got published studies. They are showing improvement with MS. They also have lots of side effects. It's a chemical. And so they're having lots of side effects because of that. They're also charging $4,000 a month for the drug. That's the present charge for that. There's another drug being developed by Abbott Labs. They've also spent over $1 billion developing the drug. It's for chronic kidney disease and diabetes. It's their chemical version of a NRF2 activator. They've gotten it as far as human clinical trials. They stopped the trials because of the side effects. But they'll rework that until they get it because they've spent so much money on this. And they understand what this is. We've got a published medical study that compares protandim and those two drugs. Those drugs are about 40% as effective as protandim. So when I see a $4,000 drug with the chemical side effects, and I see a $40 herbal product with no side effects that's over twice as effective, it's kind of a no-brainer for me as to which one I want to take, which one I want my family on, which one I want my patients on. So that's why when we saw this, we got excited. That's why we started using this and became believers that we have something unique. This company has also come out with a topical version of protandim. It's called True Science. And the company, by the way, is LifeVantage, which is publicly traded. It's on NASDAQ. They came out with True Science because your skin is your body's largest organ and probably gets the most oxidative stress between ultraviolet light and the pollutants. And they wanted to protect us from the outside in also, just as protandim protects us from the inside out. They just recently launched a third product. Original studies on protandim were done on animals, not humans. And they've discovered that this works the same in any mammal. So they've come out with canine health. And it does the same thing for your pet that protandim does for you. And so they're all very important products. The research behind it was really solid. I looked at the research and I continue to look at the research. I'm more impressed every day of the results that we get in our office and other people that I see now that we talk to other people. And now that the big drug companies know what this is, it really validates what we have. So that's why I'm excited. That's why I'm here to tell people about this. And I will stick around afterward also and answer questions. I'm also going to ask Colt Elam to come up here and tell you about the other half of the good news that we have.